Good morning, Don Jazzy. I am Nwa'Nsukka, known as Nwa'Nsukka. I'm an Igbo poem enchantress. In here in Nsukka, we call it Iwegara. Anambra calls it Imambe. So I don't know what Isoko your people calls it, but it's a way of using proverbs to sing. Yes, a way of preserving our cultural heritage. I started this YouTube last year and I've been trying to build it, though it's not easy, the equipment and all of that, but I'm still trying. A way of keeping our culture going, immortalizing Igbo culture. That's what I do. I also teach people how to dance. Yes, cultural dance and all of that. So I'm using my talent to reach out to people. Yes, through promoting our culture, acting, dancing, singing also. Yes, that's what I do. So I would really, really love if I will be among those to be chosen. Let's keep our culture rolling. Don Jazzy na ana m ekele gị. Nwoke ọma ọsịsọ, abụ m Ada Igbo, Adaeze Nwa'Nsukka. Daalụ